All right, here we go with the Monday, President's Day, February 19th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Let's get right into it here. There's your numbers from Sunday across the region. Temperatures made it up into the 50s and 60s in most spots across the Carolinas. Columbia a little bit warmer at 71. It was upper 50s and lower 60s for most of the Triad viewing area, a little milder around the Charlotte region, low to mid 60s in the Piedmont zone, some 50s up in the high country. Now, this morning, a bit of a different weather scenario as a warm front approaches. A lot of clouds. We've had some rain at times through the night. That's the Greensboro Tower camera with the temperatures at 45. And we take a peek down in Charlotte at the Dowd YMCA camera this morning. A lot of wet streets if you are going through that regular Monday morning routine. A lot of school systems off today, but if you are going through that regular routine this morning, some wet streets and damp conditions. 52 with a dew point of 51, so kind of saturated out there early this morning. There's our temperatures, 40s and 50s across the viewing region, across the Carolinas as a whole, really. So certainly a bit of a coolish start, but some changes are underway. Not a lot of wind to be concerned about this morning, but there's the radar as we've gone through the night. Some rain has been working through with a warm front. As a warm front's lifting in, we've had this area of lift generating some light rain, some clouds at times, and we continue to see some of that slowly basically shifting from Virginia, from North Carolina, up into Virginia. And this is basically a soupy, almost summer February style air mass over the southeastern part of the country. So let's take a look at the big view across the lower 48. Cold front back in the plains. And our main weather player today and tonight here in the Carolinas is this warm front that's slowly creeping northward. Once that passes through, by tomorrow, we're going to be into the southerly flow and into the very warm weather pattern all week long. Now, notice that frontal boundary position over the plains, that cold front, not going to move much. And so here's Futurecast over the next 3 days. You're going to have waves of rain, some of it heavy, in the plains, the Mississippi Valley, in the Ohio Valley region. And so check out the WPC guidance. Well, actually, first of all, here's why it doesn't move much. Big ridge to the southeast. Again, this is a summer pattern, February style. And so that front can't just blast into this ridge. It basically crawls eastward. And we have a very, very warm weather setup across the southeast. Now we take a peek here. We get the graphics to advance for us here. There we go. There's the WPC guidance. 5 to 7 inches of rain, a possibility. Texas, northeast Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, surrounding areas. Now, notice a lot of that misses the Carolinas to the west. We're kind of on the fringes of that where we could see some areas of light rain or showers at times, with the heavy stuff well west of us. Look at these temperatures. 67 in Dallas, 63 in Wichita, then a sharp temperature drop as you get into western Kansas, up in Nebraska. Really cold in the northern plain states. And here in the Carolinas, we're hanging on to the cooler air, but this warm air is set to replace it in short order. So that warm front crawling our way. Clouds, some light rain, some drizzle at times today. A little fog, especially in the mountains and the foothills today, but then look at this. The fog really settles in tonight. Could be an extensive blanket of fog all across the Carolinas tonight into Tuesday morning. So there's our highs this afternoon. 78 in Columbia, but only 63 in Charlotte, and 50s in Raleigh and Greensboro. But the warm air is coming. That warm front well north of us tomorrow. So in spite of a mostly cloudy sky, there you go, with Tuesday highs very warm. And even warmer weather set up on Wednesday. Again, maybe 1 or 2 showers, but not a great deal of rain. There's your Wednesday highs. Thursday stays very warm. And then we get into Friday and the weekend. So this is the European model. I think gradually increasing shower chances, especially Sunday. For the time being, there's a lot of uncertainty, but I'm hitting Sunday as the day with the best shower opportunities over the next 7 days. We'll see. A lot of little pieces of energy trying to fly around and creep our way on the fringes of that ridge. We'll see, but for the time being, I'll hit Sunday as the day with the best rain chances. And still, February 25th to March 1st, a lot of well above average temperatures in the eastern part of the country. However, I still see signs of a colder, potentially stormy weather setup as we get into March, and it may be more like March 4th or 5th onward. But signs of that colder pattern trying to flip back into the eastern part of the country as we get into March. We'll see. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.